success! I finally finished pricing everything so far. Managed to get both bags in that suitcase, so that's a winner. So yeah, this is the chaos that is my living room kitchen area for now, but we're getting there. We're slowly getting there. Hello, welcome to Chaos. I'm Liz, I'm Hot Pink Hangers. I started a macrame business probably about 5 years ago now, back in 2020, and I'm trying to convert my business to crochet. I did start documenting a lot of my craft markets at the beginning of the year, but I've just not felt up for sharing it with you. So I've decided that I'm going to show you this journey, which is the Christmas journey, because we're getting into busy season now. I've been squirreling away, doing so much crochet, it's unreal. And I just need to show you where I'm at. So I'm going to show you this now. This is chaos. I'm kind of currently going through pricing now. I got some business cards printed off that I've cut in half. I'm sticking my pricing tags on them. I've got so much inventory, and this is the state of my living room. I don't have a spare work spot, so I'm just going to have to ride through it. I'll show you some of the items that I've got that I'm going to be pricing up to take with me, and then I'll also show you some other bits as we kind of go along to this literal market prep. The market is on Saturday next week, so we've got approximately 6 days to get ready. Thankfully, I've made as much as I can. I did a table layout yesterday, so I've got an idea as to what I'm doing. I'm going to have to put this camera down there because it's so heavy. So first up, we've got some oak and mallow chickens. I really hope these are as popular as they are in America. They're super squishy, they're super soft, and I love them. I think my first successful crochet item was these jelly bees. I sold them at a previous market, which you will see some updates from. I'm going to club together some footage of past markets. It's an oak and mallow pattern. I absolutely adore these. I think they're great. The next item that I've got are these cute mermaids. This is a pattern from Stitch Sister Co. They come with a variety of hair options, a variety of tail options. I've already sold one of these, so I'm quite happy that one of them managed to sell. And then I tried one with real mermaid hair. I picked up some wool from an independent and a store that I went to quite a few months ago now, and she needs more hair. She's only got like kind of one row of hair, so I need to work on that, but I should really bring this to the church fair that I'm going to this weekend, next weekend. One of the first things that I made was this little pusheen. I've weighted it, so it's got like a little bit of weight to it. We'll see if that goes. I don't know if it will. Next up on big items, I have these kind of plushies. This is more of a snuggler. This was a pattern test. I'm not that keen on this because I overstuffed the head and it's super heavy. Like, it just doesn't really stand up. It's got cute eyes though, quite like the eyes. Hopefully that will go to somebody this weekend. I've got this, what do you think it is? The pattern was a tiger lion cub. It's kind of giving me a mouse vibes. It's cute, but I can't really identify what it is. I think it's unsure. Next I have these granny square stockings that I haven't, I think I've got 5 of these in a variety of colours. It was quite hard to find a nice range of festive shades in the UK. A lot of this stuff that I see in America, I'm so jealous of your companies like Bernat that have like such a soft palette. In order for me to get all these colours, I had to go to like 2 or 3 different brands. I hope these sell well. I really like them, but they do take quite a lot of time, so I'm putting quite a hefty price tag on them. Next up we have these Della Ducks. I am obsessed with this pattern. I've been eyeing this pattern up for a very long time. So this is what it looks like without eyes, and then this is one with eyes. There is an option to buy a smaller pattern, but I thought I don't need that smaller pattern. Can't remember who this is by. If you search Della Duck on Etsy, it'll come up straight away. So I made a mini one using exactly the same stitches, but a smaller yarn and a smaller hook. So they're my little Della Ducks, they're snugglers, so hopefully those will go down well. I've already had a request to purchase one of those from a friend, so Della Ducks. I'm going to move you around now because it's just chaotic. Tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to price these up first, and then I'm going to show you what else I've got. So I'll speak to you in a bit. Switched to the iPhone so it's easier to hold and to speak to you. So we've got one bag done, one bag right here. Let me turn you around, come with me. There is no aesthetic at all here. I've got all these things that I need to sort out. We've got some mini granny square stockings. I need to decide if I'm taking them with me. Hangers, they're on the back of the door. We've got a head that won't be coming. I've managed to empty this, and thankfully this will fit in there. Perfect. So I've got space for another one. I can shove it all up. Now I've got a load of Christmas trees and pumpkins that I'm going to save until the next market, which is it's the end of November, so it's in a couple of weeks. So I don't need to take everything with me for the next market. This is a mixture of key rings that I'm going to be selling at full price. I need to make a couple more hays because I think they're really cute. We've got a cacti cushion. I think I'm going to save that for the 2-day event. And then all the rest are little items that I'm going to put in mystery bags, which are here. Now I've already filled these. They come with stickers, and I need to work out how I'm going to get them to the market. We have storage that's coming with me. There's some bags in there. There's some other bits in there. And then I've got this other container that I need to price up. Now this has Christmas trees and pumpkins and some other bits. I've made some like newborn hats. Let me show you a Christmas tree. So these are the Christmas trees. I think they're quite cute. Pattern on YouTube, crochet bobble Christmas trees. I've got a few different colours. There's a green one in there. So yeah, I'm going to price those up now. What else have we got? We've got some storage. We've got some makeup bags. I need to make some more makeup bags. I'm not in a rush for them because I think I've got enough for this. It's a 4-hour event. So yeah, this is the chaos that is my living room kitchen area for now, but we're getting there. We're slowly getting there. So I'm going to price some more things up, and then I'll come back and tell you what I've done. This is the most favourite wool I think I've found. It's Woolies Thick and Quick. Again, I'm unable to get hold of it because it's American, so it comes at a premium. So I'm going to price these at £20. I have got some more. So that's the green. I've got a white, a nice icy grey, like an emerald green. And then these pumpkins. I don't know if these pumpkins are going to sell. There's another tree. But I'm going to take them. I'm going to see how it goes. See if I can get rid of them. There's another smaller tree. So I'm going to get these priced up. I'm going to get them in there. And then I'll be able to tidy some of this clutter away. And it'll help my mental clarity. So I'll see you in a bit. Success! I finally finished pricing everything so far. I was going to say everything though, but I've not. So it's just down here. I've managed to, managed to get both bags in that suitcase. So that's a winner. Now I can move on to dealing with this. I need to take some photos of the contents of the mystery bags because I am going to make a little sign for this. I need to take some other pictures of some other things for the website. I need to make sure that I can get this stuff in on top, but I've got an extension bit on the suitcase. So I think I'm going to pack most of my products away now. I need to bring plant hangers with me. I'll probably need to make a few more hangers, but I'm just gonna bring what I've got. I think that's the best way, is to not overthink it. So yeah, the shelving unit's coming with me. I need to bring a table. I've got my table cover in here. This is an earring stand, so I'm going to bring some earrings, which I've already got made up in a bag. They're not related to the crochet stuff, so I'm going to see how that goes. It's going to be a hodgepodge. But next time I speak to you will be either in the morning of the market or at the market itself. So I might make some more pouches. I've got plenty of fabric for that. So that's where we're at, and I will see you on the other side. Hello. Most of the mess has gone. I say most. We've still got clutter, but I've packed, so I'm ready for the market. I thought I'd just show you this, which you won't be able to see because it's a reflection. I've made a poster. Turn you round. Made a poster for mystery bags. Now I took these images individually. I'm using Adobe Express, which is very similar to Canva. My full-time job allows me to have full access of Adobe, so I use this because I have full options for it. So this is my little poster, which I printed off, and I was gonna put it in this frame that I've got, but it doesn't fit, so the printer was just going, so I printed off the second one. Let me just grab it, and hopefully that'll be the correct size. So it's just an indicator to show people what they're going to get in the mystery bags. There are other items other than this, so I'm hoping that pulls people in. I'm not sure about the price. I'd like to charge £10 for them. I'm really not sure about it, but we'll see how the £7 items go. There we go. So that's going to go on my display. I'm going to insert a clip of the display layout. See, look, it's looking so much tidier. I need to go through these and make some more recyclable mats. I need to make sure that that's in the to-go stuff. Chaos. But yeah, so that is, I think, most of the market prepping done. The mess continues. Here we have, just try and hold the phone camera, a load of, they're like vinyl pieces of artwork. One moment. And they're posters that came from Leeds Bid. So there's some really crazy artworks on them. and I've been converting them to potting mats because they're really durable. That was quite nice, pomegranate. They're really durable and they're great, so why not, instead of wasting them, put them on the website so that people can use them as potting mats. So I'm just going through the next batch because I've sold quite a few. I'm going to keep that one, I think. Some of them are questionable, so I might put them on at a different price. Not sure about that one. Brown and glitter. But yeah, so I'm just sorting them out at the moment. I've got a load of these hooks. I might put them in batches and put them on Etsy, because why not? I have no use for all these keychains. But yeah, trying to be sustainable. I need to really get used to closing these. If you've got this far, thank you so much for joining me. There will be further videos of my progress I've got a market next week, and then I've got a 2-day event in 2 weeks time, and then I've got another one on the 22nd of December. So hopefully in amongst all this, I'll get some videos out for you. There's then going to be some backdated footage that I've got that I shot throughout the year that I kind of never got around to editing and compiling together. So they'll probably be fed through come January when things are really, really quiet. I have got a launch ready for Black Friday, so I have put lots of items up on my website ready to go, and then there'll be discount that comes out then, so fingers crossed I might get some sales from that. My website's normally pretty quiet, but we'll see. Hamish, you can see Hamish in the background. Hamish is going to his forever home, so I need to get him packaged and posted. So that was a purchase through my website. And then I'm gonna sort the mats out. I'm gonna take some more photos for some other things that I've not got on my website yet. And yeah, that's everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Is there something that you want to see from me? Is there an item that you'd like me to crochet? I'd love a comment down below. But yeah, I'll see you on the next one.